So part 2, explain the limitations of using the survey data. Well, we could be looking at what groups are involved in the survey. We could be looking at how big the survey is or the date of the survey. Let's go to it and see what they've got. Figure 2b, they talk to just tourists and they're asking for tourist opinions. 100 people in the survey, that's a reasonable number, it's not huge. And it was taken in 2002. Some obvious things, of course, kind of old, taken a while ago, maybe opinions have changed. They've asked tourists, what do the locals think? Is this big enough? You could maybe question that. Any other points we could come up with? Well, here we have the tourists' response, but we don't actually know how the question was asked. So maybe we could talk about that. There are 4 marks available. We are probably going to go for 2 and 2. Yeah. So explaining a limitation and then some extension. Explaining a limitation, then some extension. How can GIS be used to find out more information about an area, such as Bottom Hill? Now, you really want to be going kind of specific here. Try and name a GIS system, so we're probably going to talk about Google Earth or Google Maps. Try and use technical terminology. In GIS we use layers, so I want the base layer, and then on top of that I'm going to put a layer that shows me information about wind speed, that shows me information about population density. So I'm talking about trying to put layers on top of a base map, and that tells me different things about the use of a place. That's what the GIS question is really looking for. Finding out tourist data from it, what tourist services are available in an area. You could try and aim for that. Avoid being vague, try and be specific. And if you're thinking about Google Earth or Google Maps when you're talking about it, well, say that. Of course, if it was flooding, you could be talking about the Environment Agency website and the GIS available there.